Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make money on Temu as a beginner. You know, when we hear this thing about making money, our ears are just like, ooh, how do I make money? I really need to top my earnings. I need to get a side gig. I need to join the affiliate marketing program. I just want to make money at the side. Calm down. Temu affiliate program is the best thing for you to do. And cool cash using Temu affiliate program. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Temu website application. Now, if you do not have an account on Temu, why? As a beginner, that's the first thing you should do. Create an account. And how do you do that? Launch in the browser of your choice. Right here, I'm using Chrome. And at the top corner of your browser, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type temu.com. And once you do that, it's going to take you right into the website. And then top right corner, you're going to see the sign up option. Follow through with a step-by-step on-screen processes to create an account, which is self-explanatory. It's very much easier if you sign up using Google because that's an automatic step, no stress. So once you have created an account, it's now going to take you to this fantastic homepage, customized for you, where you can explore a lot of features to have a great experience shopping till you drop. Now, Temu is a fantastic online shopping platform where you can literally shop for anything. Anything can be shopped on Temu with freaking great, amazing, incredible, unfathomable discounted rates. Yes, Temu is that generous. All right, so let's hop into today's text instead of just going ahead to praise and praise Temu. Now, here's me saying that aside from the fact that you can definitely buy anything on Temu with its discounted rates or an incredibly amazing fair prices, I would like you to know that you can also earn on Temu. I mean, Temu can pay you for joining their affiliate marketing program. So how do you join an affiliate marketing program so you can make money as a beginner? Watch me. So from this homepage, all you need to do is to scroll down. So we're going to scroll down majestically like the queen and king that you are. So scroll down, gently. You have to scroll down gently. And then scroll down. As you can see, there are really beautiful things that you can shop on Temu. So when I said they're really beautiful things, I was actually not exaggerating. So now we're here at the bottom of this page. So right here, you're going to find company info, customer service, help, and then download Temu app, connect to Temu. So right here under company info, you're going to see about Temu, price down, affiliate, and all this. So go ahead and click on affiliate and influencer program. Now it says unlock more ways to earn benefits on Temu. Now there's something I'd like you to know. Look, everybody knows that Temu has this affiliate program and you can definitely earn from Temu. But that's why you've got me, because so now it says unlock more ways to earn benefits on Temu. Now there are two ways that you can go about this. One, you can sign up as an affiliate marketer. That's the affiliate marketing program. That's affiliate program here. And the next option is the influencer program. So here you have the affiliate program and you have the influencer program. So you can definitely choose from between this depending on which one literally suits you. So now the affiliate program says share and earn up to $100,000 per month. Oh my God, that's frightening. And then the influencer program says monetize your content and get free products, which you can sign up. So monetize your own content. But then this affiliate program is marketing Temu. All you need to do is to push Temu all the way out, push them and then market them, let your friends know about them, let people over the world know about Temu, and let them make purchases that are favorable to Temu, and then you'll be able to earn commissions from there. Very simple, no stress. So this is the affiliate program. So let's scroll the way down and see what's in for us. So this is Temu affiliate, and it says, okay, if you think you can attract more users to Temu or introduce them to items you're interested in, we'd love for you to join the Temu affiliate program and share millions in commissions. All right, so you can go ahead all the way down to read why you need to join them, the millions in commission, and anyone can join, easy to earn, and then the trusted brand, and then the benefits you can get up to $5 million commission, $5 bonus, and then 20% commission, 50% off. All of these, read them until you are satisfied, and let's head over here to get started. So here is sign up. So click on the sign up button, and it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have to complete the program. Now it says that I am not eligible to actually sign up to this affiliate program because it is not available in my region at this time. So some part of me is saying, oh, come let us switch region, because why not? If not, let's say for example, this is English, and I'm just going to have to just click on where I see this English, and I'm going to click on change country and region and see, let's see where I can change my country and region. So, oh my God, it's not available to the United States, really? So I'm just going to have to scroll down to see if it's going to be available in another region. All right, awesome. Sorry about that, trying to scroll all the way down, and I'm trying to see if we can change to Germany, and it says, do you want to shop? So after switching, you need to register. Switch to Germany, that's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna have to click on accept all, and I'm trying to switch region to see if I'll be accepted, and so just continue with this account. So I'm back here, head over to, so I'm gonna click right here, Temu logo, so it takes me to my page, and this is what Temu Germany looks like. Awesome. So I'm scrolling all the way down, just like we did before, till I'm going to find the affiliate program to see if it's going to be eligible in this region. So I'm going to click on sign up. All right, so now influencer policy, I'm in the affiliate program. Okay, so all right, accept. So we choose the Temu influencer policy, accept. If we can accept, it seems like this is working for this. Oh, the event is not available in your region at this time. Well, if this event is available in your region at this time, then you will have access to the affiliate marketing program, and then all you need to do is to push Temu product. They're gonna have to tell you what exactly to do, whether you need to create a tracking link so you can share to as many people as possible so they can make decisions that are favorable to Temu, dependent on the performance that has been attached to that link. Once the performance has been carried out, because this is performance marketing, once the performance has been carried out, then you're going to earn commissions for that. So this is pretty much the process. All right, so this is it. So if it's available for your region, then that's fine. So this is pretty much how you can earn or make money with the affiliate program of Temu. Right here in Temu, if it's available for your region, then you'll be able to access it, and it's the steps are just pretty much amazing, and then it's self-explanatory. As you can see, the benefits that we read through, very awesome whooping benefits, and up to $100 per month, which is really nice and fair. So this is pretty much, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with these steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.